A very warm welcome to one and all present over here. Today we are going to have a session based on surface area and volume of cone. Surface area and volume of cone. Talking about cylinder, cylinder has no vertices. It has three surfaces. It means two flat and one curved surface. Not talking about cone, it has the top at the topmost it has one vertex at the top, two surfaces, one is flat and one is curved surface. Now talking about the parts of a cone, it has radius, the radius of circular base. Second is height. Okay, the perpendicular distance between the vertex and the center, and the third one is slant height. So this is height, this is radius, this is slant height. Clear the parts of cone to you? Now let us see the cone as a right angle triangle where height is the perpendicular, slant height is hypotenuse, and radius is the base. So the formula of slant height is, or the relation between slant height, radius, and height is L square equals to R square plus H square, where H is represent the height and slant height is represented by small letter L. A cone is nothing but a rotated triangle. A cone is nothing but a rotated triangle. So now talking about the formula, curved surface area of cone is pi RL, total surface area, that is including the base, pi RL plus pi R square, taking pi R common, so it will become pi R L plus R. These are the two main formulas. Curved surface area of cone pi RL and total surface area pi RL plus pi R square. Now let us see one question. How much cardboard is required to make one cap? Area of cardboard sheet required is equals to curved surface area of the cap. कार्डबोर्ड के लिए क्या चाहिए? We need only the curved surface area. Base नहीं चाहिए. So we're not going to take the total surface area. We're going to take only the curved surface area. What are the dimensions given? Radius 7, slant height 25, height 24. Formula is pi RL. The value of pi is 22 by 7. Radius is 7. Slant height is 25. So the curved surface area is 550 centimeter square. Is it clear to each and everyone? The area of cardboard required to make one cap is 550 centimeter square. Clear? Now, question number 2. The area of canvas required to make the tent, that is 156 meter square. Area of canvas निकालना है. Area of canvas is given. Find the cost. Cost निकालनी है. So curved surface area is given 156 pi meter square. Cost per meter square is rupees 70. So total cost will be cost per meter square into curved surface area, that is 70 into 156 pi. 70 into 156 into 22 by 7, that is 34320 rupees. This is total cost. Total cost means rate into curved surface area, that is total cost. Clear? Clear to you all? Is it easy to find out total cost? We're going to solve the questions. Don't worry, I will give you the time. Summary: what we have studied. Slant height is given by L, height is given by H, radius is given by R. Relationship between L, H and R is L square equals to R square plus H square. Curved surface area of cone is pi RL. Total surface area is pi RL plus pi R square. Taking pi R common, that is pi R into L plus R. Both are correct. Both are same. Now, talking about the cylindrical tube of ice cream. Cylindrical tub of ice cream. How many ice cream cones to be filled from this tub? How many ice cream cones can be filled? So if the ice cream from the cylindrical tub is to be taken out completely, how many ice cream cones will be filled in the from the cylindrical tub? So how many cones required to fill the cylinder? How many cones required to fill the cylinder? So 3 cones will be required completely. How many cones required? 3 cones. See the animation. height of both is same. So how many cones required? Three cones required. Kaise? Let us see. 3 into volume of cone is equals to volume of cylinder. 3 into volume of cone. So it means to fulfill completely a cylinder, how many cones required? We required cone, 3 cones. This is wallet cone, second cone, and cone number 3. How many cones required? 3. So 3 into volume of cone is equals to volume of cylinder. What is volume of cone? 1 by 3 pi r square h. So volume of cone is 1 by 3 pi r square h. So how many such cones required? We required 3 such cones, so 3 will be cut by 3. So final answer is pi r square h. So how many such cones required? 3 such cones required to make a complete cylinder. So volume of cone is 1 by 3 pi r square h. Clear to you all? Let's move forward. Find the volume, not talking about the questions, based on the volume of cone with radius 3 centimeter and height 14 centimeter. We have to find out volume of right circular cone. Radius is given, height is given. Formula of volume of cone is 1 by 3 pi r square h. 1 by 3 as it is. The value of pi is 22 by 7. Radius is 3 square, that is 3 into 3. And height is 14. So by calculating, answer is 132 centimeter cube. Clear? How to find out the volume of cone? By putting all the values in the given formula. Clear? Second question. This is one of the most important question. A right angle triangle with sides 6, 8 and 10 is revolved. किसके around revolved हो रही है? 8 centimeter. The side along which the triangle is revolved will become the height. Again I am telling, the side along which the triangle is going to be revolved will become the height. किसके along revolve हो रही है? 8 के along, so 8 will become the height. Longest side will always be the hypotenuse. Remaining 6 will be as base, will be act as base. So we have to find out the volume. Okay, radius is 6, height is 8. Formula of volume is 1 by 3 pi r square h. So 1 by 3 pi 6 square into 8, 96 pi centimeter cube. Why the answer is in pi? Because it is mentioned in the question that leave the answer in terms of pi. Leave the answer in terms of pi. That's why the answer is in pi, 96 pi centimeter square. समझ आया question? The side along which the triangle is going to be rotated will become the height. Now, second important question. The volume of conical tent which is made up of tarpaulin is 242 meter cube. Volume दिया है conical tent का. See the unit. Area unit is centimeter square or meter square. Volume is meter cube or centimeter cube. The tent is 11 meter high. Height is given 11 meter. Volume is given 242. Space occupied by an student by one student is half of meter square. Find out the number of students will going to be accommodate in the tent. ठीक है, कितने स्टूडेंट्स आ जाएंगे टेंट में? देखो, फॉर्मूला इज एरिया ऑफ बेस ऑफ टेंट. हमको बेसिक काम है, ठीक है, बिकॉज दे विल गोइंग टू लाई on the base. So area of base of the tent will be equals to number of students into area occupied by one student. This is the basic concept of this question. This is the basic concept of this question. Area of base is equals to number of students into area occupied by one student. What is the area of base? Area of base is nothing but pi r square, which is in the shape of circle. Number of students be n. Let us suppose the number of students be n. So n into half of meter square. So volume of tent हमको पता है 1 by 3 pi r square h होता है. Yes or no? कैसे करेंगे? देखो, सबसे पहले हम लोग फाइंड आउट करेंगे रेडियस. ठीक है, वी आर गोइंग टू फाइंड आउट द रेडियस. लेट अस सी. Volume of tent is 1 by 3 pi r square h. Height is given 11. So putting the value of height as 11, we're going to find out the value of pi r square from here. The value of pi r square is 66 meter square. The value of pi r square is 66 meter square. Clear है यहाँ तक? Now, in our basic concept, pi r square is equals to number of students, that is n into half of meter square. Put the value of pi r square. Solving, the value of n is 132. Clear? So how many students can sit in the tent? 132. Clear to each and everyone? Okay, I will give you the time to solve the questions. You have to find out the, if the volume is given, find out the diameter of base. Diameter is nothing but 2 into r. Second is find out the volume of cones, length, height, and height is given. You have to find out first radius, then find out the volume. Is revolved around साइड 12, साइड 12 के अराउंड रिवॉल्व होगी तो 12 विल बिकम द हाइट. ठीक है, ये इंपॉर्टेंट कॉन्सेप्ट था, ये हमने ऐसा क्वेश्चन कर लिया है. You have to solve this question in the practice. Summary, what we have learned: 3 into volume of cone is equals to volume of cylinder. Volume of cone is 1 by 3 pi r square h. Relation is same. Slant height is equal square, that is L square equals to r square plus h square, where radius is given by r, height is given by h. ठीक है. Okay, thank you.